Hi everyone, Kerry here. We're going to step inside the blacksmith shop. I had a fire in the forge this morning and been doing a little blacksmithing. Had a request from a friend to have me make him a fireplace poker for his home fireplace, and so that's what I've been doing. I'm just about to wrap that project up. I've got the piece in the fire now, working on the handle end. So just thought I'd give you kind of a walk-in and a view around the inside of the blacksmith shop. Might have had some tools added since the last time I've done any actual video filming inside the shop here. So there's a look around on the inside. Now let's see if I can do a little more hammering up the fire. I'm making a fireplace poker, and I'm about to finish up. I'm drawing out the handle end. I want to draw this out a little farther. Then I'll do a U-shaped bend, and I'll wrap the end around the shaft. Okay, here's a look now at the fireplace poker. I'm pretty well finished with this piece. Back in September I did a similar piece for an episode of a TV show that's being filmed locally. This series will be called Lake Life, featuring the Herman brothers and some of the build work that they do. But I was able to, for one of their episodes, do a piece for them, and then they came and actually did some filming here in the blacksmith shop. So I don't know if any of that will be edited out of the episode that we filmed for, but it was fun to do, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that as spring of 2015 comes closer, when I know that the particular episode of that Lake Life series will air. It'll air on the Do-It-Yourself Network. So it was fun to do, and I'll give more detail about that later on as time goes by. Alright, thanks for watching me do this piece.